Only 1 in 1,000 sea turtle hatchlings will survive. The largest threat to these precious sea creatures are litters and marine debris. Plastic pollution kills the turtles.
You know, they are often the victims of plastics because they mistake it as their favorite food, jellyfish.
According to data, 8 million tons of plastic ends up in the ocean every year.
Globally, 52% of sea turtles have ingested plastics.
JC, wait, look. This looks so interesting and fun.
I don't know much about this type of things, but sure, let's inquire inside.
Hi, can I help you?
We saw the event posted back there. Can we know more of the infos about it?
Gladly, there is a posted clean-up drive event with a theme, Creating a Safe Space for our Sea Turtles. It's happening this Saturday. The location will be at Malita, Davao Occidental, and everyone are welcome to join.
That sounds familiar. Is it where DNR recently conducted a visit to check the physical condition of the coral reef in the dive site?
Yes, they are known for their sea turtle hub and they checked the coral reefs.
We are so interested in coming. What's the next step?
Here, fill up these forms and you're both good to go.
Thank you!